welcome back. Awkward outros.
Yeah.
Alright, 120.
It's 4 golds.
Alright, I'm gonna get some more armor.
Yeah, me too.
I say that as I keep caving. Alright. I can make full iron. Are my furnaces still there? Did I take them? No, I did not take them.
I feel like I'm gonna drop in the lava or something.
Don't worry.
Say that, and now I'm gonna drop in the lava.
I think I still have some iron in here. Yeah. I found 3 gold, by the way.
Found 4.
Well, you just had to one-up me now, didn't you?
Not my fault. The gold vein's fault.
Sure, try. Sure.
Wow. How much redstone did you find?
I threw it all away. I'm too good
Very
for
not
redstone.
like you.
Wow.
Him too. He's gonna kill you for throwing away your redstone.
Oh well. Suck on that, fairy. You did say fairy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said Barry. There's a person named Barry. This went nowhere.
I'm gonna make a bucket. I'm in full iron.
I'm in half.
Get better.
Can't find the iron.
Oh, I have 22 feathers, by the way. How many do you have?
12.
Get better, try. Come on.
More coal.
Oh, are you in my cave?
No, I'm near it though, I think.
I'm pretty sure you're in it. Oh no, you're not.
There's no other cave connected to this.
Huh. Yeah, you're like right beside it though.
Yeah.
More redstone than I'm gonna throw in lava.
Wow. How much coal do you have?
None. Make it.
I've got
I made it all
50.
That's a lot of
Yeah. Oh, one. I'm gonna dig to you actually. Yeah, to you. Wait, am I allowed to dig to you?
I don't know. Probably.
I'll just do it
Ass.
anyway.
Yeah, whatever.
There's more lava and water, so.
That's probably where I was.
I'm gonna get your used cave.
Yep. What?
He threw an egg at him and he got off the...
That's hilarious. That's so funny.
Can't get more hearts now. Best teammate.
Best teammate, definitely.
Lava.
Found diamond.
Oh, nice. I found your cave.
Oh my god, are you fucking serious?
4.
It was 1. I can't even make a diamond pick. Like, that's all I wanted. I hear a skeleton.
Don't worry, I'm gonna mine this gravel and find diamonds behind it, so you're good.
Alright, that's good then. Oh god, I'm gonna take damage. Oh, I didn't.
Iron picks, let's go. Rude.
Alright. Found more diamond.
Is it 1?
Are you serious?
Oh my.
No.
Did diamond attack you?
No, a creeper did.
Oh.
I
Same
thought I was
thing.
way far away. So I didn't block.
Well, you didn't take that much damage.
Alright, we got enchants.
Yes.
+1.
Need to get bows. Fun.
I got an extra iron pick for you. That's full durability. Ah, can't believe I took that damage.
Get a kill.
You're gonna have to let me. No kill stealing for you.
Yeah.
Imagine if creeper spawners were a thing. Imagine how crazy that would be.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't even want to think about that.
Well, what if creeper spawning was like zombie spawning?
Oh god.
Yeah.
Like you hit one
Oh,
and just
creepers
another
jump in
one
lava.
spawns right in front of you.
Yeah. Immediately blows up.
Alright. Pass me your... Actually, I should
You
probably
have
get
everything?
you first. No. But I just want the leather and stuff.
What?
Oh, I thought you were talking about...
No, 0 said.
What are you doing
Not sure
down
what
there?
that's supposed to mean. What?
Oh, you don't even have
Oh,
full
hi.
armor. Here, give me the
Yeah.
sugar cane. Oh, take
Give me
this.
the iron pick. Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm hearing a lot of stuff I don't want to hear. So I'm just gonna go back to my obsidian and get it and get enchanted. I like getting enchanted as soon as possible.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun.
Take less damage because you've got.
Exactly. I'm back at... Oh, well, I guess you don't really know where the start of the cave is. This is how to create good content. Mine obsidian.
Everyone watch my perspective
No.
because it's so much better. More entertaining.
You don't even have full iron, you noob.
I was too busy x-raying diamonds.
That's true. Why'd you give me 5? Like, now I'm gonna have 2 in my inventory this whole game. Where did the obsidian go? Oh, how the fuck did it go?
Burned in
I
lava.
mined 5 obsidian like a retard.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. Sometimes I mine 3 obsidian, then go to the surface, then try to enchant and say, oh wait,
Oh,
I did get the
wow.
obsidian.
Why would you not
Yes.
enchant? Whatever. Okay, I got the enchantment table going.
Dumb.
I'm breaking all my swords. It's a good start.
chest there.
projectile on my chest plate. Is that you digging?
Yeah, it's me. I'm like right above you.
Blast protection on my helmet. Protection.
Nice.
I get so unlucky.
Bane of arthropods.
Wow, alright. Guess we're gonna need lots of iron.
Unbreaking 1, projectile protection 1.
Nice.
Okay, so I got 3 prod and 1 prod.
I need a new helmet and a
Oh.
new sword. How much iron do you have spare?
I'm cooking it. Got 12. I'm 6 new sword. Bane of arthropods again.
Nice.
Sharpness 1 knockback 1.
Man, flint rate should be increased. It's a recorded round. Come on. No one wants to see us mining gravel.
True.
I'm using your iron.
I don't care.
Sharpness.
You explore everything.
I don't know. I'd like to say I did, but I don't think I did. I don't know.
Probably something around here that I could.
Why did I break the enchantment table when I knew I needed it?
The indicators on the purple pack are so weird. So hard to see it.
The indicators?
Yeah, like the the hotbar indicators.
Oh yeah.
Shows what you're holding or whatever.
I like the
I
green
look
pack
at that
better.
rather than the item. I haven't actually used the green.
I just want to see the bow. I still haven't seen the bow.
Go on a creative world.
Yeah, right now.
Heard a skeleton, now it's gone. Oh, here it is. Above me, I think.
Oh my god, I hate crafting lag.
Yeah, it's the world. Right here.
Start
Go.
getting some gravel.
Oh, I better not take damage. Yeah, I killed it.
Well done.
And ravine that I almost fell into.
Is NX here?
Yeah, he's X.
Oh, he's Zuax?
Yeah, use X.
Oh. Oh, there's gold right there. Jeez. That would have been annoying to miss.
Oh, I found gold too.
Oh, oh.
Oh,
What? Ah, Triunify. Stealing all my stuff. First you steal my cave, then you steal my iron, then you steal my
You gave it
gold.
to me. You stole my iron. You literally said, "Hey, I'm gonna steal your iron."
Yeah, it's only because you stole mine.
You gave it to me. It's not stealing.
Don't put logic into this. Alright, so what are we doing? Is there any more cave?
Yeah, there's more cave over here.
Alright,
That you can steal from me.
I found it, so I mean...
I can't get this water source. Oh, more gold.
Well done.
Correct.
Collect all the iron too.
Okay.
I wonder if
Actually,
anyone's
I'll
hunting.
check my temperatures. See if anything high or whatever. Oh, 73. You.
I hear a
5 is my
spider.
motherboard. Not terribly bad.
Oh, there's lots of cave here.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna take damage. I hear something walking.
I mean,
I'm very
it's not like
scared.
it matters anymore.
Oh, yeah, it kind of does.
Yeah, I guess. Found cave under my cave.
Oh. Oh, I see a baby zombie too. Alright, I got one piece of string.
Yes.
Alright, now I'm fighting a creeper again.
Don't blow up.
No promises.
Kill it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh wow, there's another one behind me.
That. Oh god,
Lord.
no.
Oh man. Oh man, hi.
Oh,
There's a baby zombie right here.
lagging. I had to kill a skeleton without taking damage.
I know, I was right below you.
Yeah.
There's a name. Shift. Shift,
Where?
shift. Tyler 1290.
Do we go after him?
Oh, they're literally right beside me, dude.
They are?
Mm-hmm.
Both of them?
No, just Tyler. They're both, like, they've both taken damage.
Where are you? Are you still in the ravine?
Yeah, I was literally just at where you saw me. He shifted, though. I think he knows we're
Did he
here.
run away, or...
I don't know. What do you think we should do?
I don't care.
I mean, they're shifting now. Yeah, hi. I'm right here. He was east. Like, I'd probably say like 50 blocks east. Yeah, do you see him?
I don't know.
Do you see him?
Not yet. Yeah, I see him. Speak to him?
He's gonna hear us, though, don't you think?
Yeah, he will.
And he's EU. He's going up a staircase.
We both attack him. We'll take a lot of damage, so I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, let's not do it.
Find a cave somewhere else.
Yeah. Check is right there. Did you just see him?
I don't see him.
He shifted now, but he was really close. Okay, let's go over here.
Oh, I
Do you see
see
him?
someone.
Yeah. That's check. They're really close. But look at all this cave.
It's caving. We should find another cave somewhere else.
Yeah, we probably should. Alright. I hate leaving cave. Like this. Oh, there's gold right there.
Gold over there.
I'll get it.
Get it. No, I'm gonna get it. How could you?
It's worth it. Watch them like come in our cave now.
In that split second you unshifted.
Oh,
gonna notice that.
see you guys
See you
next time.
Bye.